guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Techno-E-Solution. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to add DHT sensor library in your Arduino IDE. If you are first time on my channel, then subscribe to my YouTube channel for more interesting videos. To add this library, first you need to install DHT sensor library in your PC. I have provided link in the description. After installing this DHT sensor library, then open your Arduino IDE. Select Sketch, then click on Include Library and then click on Add Zip File Library. Then select the downloaded zip file. Then click on the OK button. So in this way, you can easily install DHT sensor library in your PC. Here you can see I have successfully added DHT sensor library in my Arduino IDE. I hope this tutorial will get helpful for you. You can also check out my website for detailed information on this tutorial. Also, I have provided DHT sensor library, so you can easily download that library by using this download button. I have explained each and every steps of this tutorial, so you can easily add DHT sensor library in your Arduino IDE. If you like my work, then subscribe to my YouTube channel for more interesting videos. See you in the next one. Take care and goodbye.
Fearless.